Hello friends, today we have learned the chapter semiconductor. In that, the next point, that is rectifier, diode as a rectifier. In that, first we can see half wave rectifier. We know that AC input voltage varies sinusoidally. If we can see that AC input voltage, it should have a positive half cycle, negative half cycles. When we should use this AC voltage for a charger or TVs, it should be converted into a DC. That means a rectifier converts bidirectional AC voltage into unidirectional DC voltage. A conversion of a bidirectional AC voltage into unidirectional DC voltage is called as a rectification. Which circuit converts this bidirectional AC voltage into unidirectional voltage? That circuit is called as a rectifier circuit. When one diode is used, at that time, that rectifier circuit is called as a half wave rectifier. Here first we can see the construction. In construction, when we should see the half wave rectifier in that circuit diagram, here this is the primary transformer, this one is the secondary transformer, this one is the diode, and this is the load resistance. This primary transformer is connected to a main supply, and we know that main supply in India, it should having a voltage 230 volt and its frequency is 50 Hz. When we can see the construction, in that construction, this secondary transformer AB is connected in a series with diode and load resistance. How we should construct this half wave rectifier? In that, the secondary transformer, this secondary transformer AB is connected in a series with diode and load resistance RL. This is the construction. Here the secondary transformer or transformer is used. It should have two advantages. The first advantage is it should give a step up or step down voltage as per requirement of the circuit. The second use, it oscillates the rectifier circuits and reduces the electric shock. This is the two advantages of this transformer. Here if we can see the working, in working, when positive half cycle begins, if we can see here, this is the input AC voltage, it should having a positive half cycle, negative half cycle. In that, when positive half cycle begins in working, at that time this diode D, in that condition the potential at A is larger than the with respect to the point B, and this diode is in forward bias, and when diode is forward bias, at that time current flows through that circuit and we should get the output DC voltage through the load resistance. This is the first condition. Which is the first condition? In first condition, the potential at A is how much? It is a larger with respect to B, and in that condition diode D is in a forward bias, it conducts and current flows through the load resistance. This is the first condition for the working. If we can see the second condition, in second condition the potential at B is larger than the point A. In that condition this diode is in a reverse bias. When diode is reverse bias, at that time current does not flow. That means we can see that the negative half cycle is not allowed to give in the output. only a positive half cycle is in the output of DC. That means here only positive half cycles which are in AC input, they are in the output of DC voltage. Negative half cycle does not pass through the half wave rectifier. And so this is the waveform for output of a half wave rectifier. If we can see here, we should use this positive half cycle and negative half cycle in the output. For that, we should use a full wave rectifier. Here in full wave rectifier, there is a two diodes are used. If we can see in the diagram of full wave rectifier, this C is a center tap transformer. Here in the constructions, the diode D1 and D2 are connected in such way that D1 conducts for a positive half cycle and D2 conducts for negative half cycles. Now the construction of this full wave rectifier, in that D1 conducts, when it conducts, diodes are connected to the secondary transformer in a such way that D1 conducts in positive half cycle and D2 conducts in negative half cycle. This is the construction in a full wave rectifier. Again, the secondary transformer is used here. Now, when we can see the working of this full wave rectifier, in that, what happens when positive half cycle begins of the AC input? At that time, the potential at A is larger. Potential at A is larger than the point B. Then the diode D1 conducts. Diode D1 conducts. That means this diode is in a forward bias. When diode is in forward bias, the current flows through in that circuit, and the current follows the path A, P, Q, R, C. And we can see the for positive half cycle, when D1 conducts, we should get the output of that positive half cycle. When negative half cycle begins, at that time the potential at the point A is larger with respect to the point A. In that condition, the diode D2 is in a forward bias and diode D2 conducts and current flows. When diode is in a forward bias, then current flows through that condition, and so the current follows the path that is B, P, Q, R, C, and we can see the output for when the diode D2 conducts the negative half cycles in the output. When AC input voltage is given, at that time the direction of current in the same direction for positive half cycle and for the negative half cycle, and so we can see the continuous the current through the load resistance in the output. That means we should get the all positive half cycles and negative half cycles in the output. That means efficiency will be the increases in a full wave rectifier, and so we should get in the output all positive and negative half cycles in the output for the full wave rectifier. Now we can see the advantages of a full wave rectifier. Rectifications takes place for both the cycles of AC input voltage. This is the first advantage. Which is the first advantage? The rectification takes place in both the cycle of AC input voltage. Again, efficiency of this second one, that is efficiency of a full wave rectifier, is larger than the half wave rectifier. And third one, that is the ripple component, that is ripple component is less in the full wave rectifier than the half wave rectifier. Thank you.